In today's episode, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to Dollar Tree and to Ikea to see what I can pick up for the craft room because we're gonna give it a tiny makeover and organize it. The challenge is that we have to do it with only $200, but I do think that we have enough there to be able to pick up some pieces that will help us organize and just make our current workstation work a little bit better for us.
So grande egg caramel cloud macchiato and a bacon Gouda breakfast sandwich. Those two things only, right?
Yes, thank you. That's a terrible song. Hey guys, I'm here outside the Dollar Tree because we're going to be reorganizing our craft room at Ricoma. So I'm starting with the cheapest place first, and then I'm going to move my way up depending on what I can find here. I already see some things that I haven't even walked in yet, and I already saw something I want. For storing something. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We're clocking in at $8 right now. These buckets would be cute to put supplies in. Look, we already found so many things. Getting at 4. I think 4 is okay for now. These can also be used to store like maybe needles. This is good. This is good. I know we're here for organizing the room, but I just saw these caps and they're obviously $1 because we're at the dollar store. So this would be really good to flip. I think I might do an episode flipping this hat and making it worth at least 20 bucks. They also, this is like also like a Miami, like kind of like a Miami Vice type of thing. I could probably put like a cute like flamingo or palm tree on this and make it Miami themed, right? I liked it. I'm gonna get another one. I definitely think we need some flowers. I know it's supposed to be a unisex shop because we have other people in there besides me, but I do want to leave my little touch on there. We have some fake flowers here. If we can get some in a vase, make it look cute, we can use it for our set. What do you guys think? I'm going to see what the flowers look like in the vase. And then, of course, you know I'm picking the orange one. I don't know if that's too much orange. There's some storage back here on this last aisle, so I'm gonna go over there and see what we can find. I have the options of red, blue, and green. They just look kind of like childish, so I don't know how much I like them. I also think these baskets would look really nice with some materials in there. What do you think? Oh, the media specialist found this toolbox and I think it would be cool. I think maybe, because we always have an issue in the shop where, you know, some people don't have their personal tools. I think it'd be cool to give everybody their own little toolbox and label it to just keep everybody organized and not fighting over tools. So I actually have a lot of blanks in the warehouse that I use for Embroidery Hub, and we need to find a compact space for it. So I was thinking of getting these vacuum storage bags and using, putting it in a bin in order to save some space. Candles, we need candles, oh my God. Okay, but this is too cute. This is like a coffee candle. Even though I really like this jar, I think I'm gonna go with these purpley ones that I see here. What do you guys think? I feel like this one's nicer. I should just get this one. You see, this always happens when you go to the store. You end up finding other things that you're not looking for, and then when you're looking for something, you find the stuff that you're not looking for. You know what I mean? Fierce. That is my middle name. This is actually my first time at Ikea, and I've actually been warned saying that there's a huge maze thing going on in there, so I hope I can find what I need. There's like 3 stories, or 4, no 3, I don't know, something like that. It smells like Starbucks Bacon Gouda sandwich. It smells exactly like that. This is beautiful. We could have literally just gone here. Let's go this way, see what we find. Cute. How much is this box? These are all 79 cents. That's not bad. Do we have anything that we can hang this on? Because this would be good. I'm not sure what to get because I don't want anyone at the office to not like it. I have to please like 50 people. How am I gonna do this? Would this work for our craft room or no? This looks like something you'd put in a patio, excuse me. Gotta be fancy. So this whole entire drawer unit seems to be $14.99, so I don't see why not take this. I I can use this to put some supplies in there. So I'm definitely gonna take this as well. I feel like I might get these to put pins in them. That'd be cute. Let me take a picture so I can remember. All right. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Literally a box that you need to assemble. That's something else. All right. So I found these nice little rolling canister, and I think I'm just going to get this instead of those other two that I showed you earlier, because this has a little more space, it's open, so it's easily accessible, and it's a lot more aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Look what we got, look what we found. I know it looks like for outside. Can we get away with putting sewing supplies in here? Because it's really cute. This is really nice. This is only $9.99. Are we gonna have to put the like wheels in and all that stuff? That's the catch, huh? Oh, but this is so adorable. We can definitely do something nice with this. IKEA's super cool. I never thought it would be this way. I feel like I'm in like a really nice house. You know what I mean? Like a mansion. This is cute. I think we can I can put some ideas on this little board and dress it up. I think we should definitely take this. It's only $5.99. Look how beautiful this is. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna get a few of these. We got something special where we're not gonna show you on camera. We're gonna make you wait for the next episode to see it. So we decided to leave the offloading for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out now and show you guys what I got. As far as we know right now, we came in under budget. However, the line at IKEA was so long and it was so late. So we decided to take pictures of everything and order it online. So it should be coming next week so you guys can see everything that we picked up. I actually got this idea from the Facebook group that I manage. It is called Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery. In there's thousands of members who are constantly posting their workshops, and it kind of gave me some inspiration to revamp our own. The actual organization and transformation of the room will take place in the next episode. We just wanted to bring you guys with us on a journey because you guys really liked when we did the Dollar Tree episode, so we decided to bring it back for this. So the entire purpose of this episode was to take you guys with us behind the scenes so you can see what's going on, have some fun with us, let us know if you liked it, and I just want you guys to also know it can be fun to redecorate and you can do it with a reasonable budget. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to stick around for next week where you get to see the true transformation. Subscribe so that you do not miss that. Sazón Goya. I'm gonna be that person. Sorry, Dollar Tree.